Navigating the language. The meaning of rough seas. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel where we make English language learning smooth sailing for you. Today, we're going to dive into the depths of a phrase that's as rich in meaning as the ocean itself. Rough seas. Whether you're a language enthusiast or a curious learner, get ready to embark on a linguistic voyage with us. Let's decode the currents of this expression together. Let's start with the literal sense. Imagine you're on a ship, and the water all around you is wild and stormy. The waves are high, the wind is strong, and the ship might be rocking quite a bit. This is what we call rough seas. It's a nautical term describing this kind of turbulent, dangerous water condition. It's important in English to be able to distinguish between literal and figurative language, and rough seas provides a perfect example of how an expression can have both. Now, let's navigate towards the figurative usage. In English, we often use terms related to the sea to describe life situations. When someone says they're going through rough seas, they don't mean they're literally on a boat in a storm. They're using the phrase metaphorically to communicate that they're experiencing difficulties, troubles, or challenges in their life. Just as a ship captain must navigate through a storm, a person must find their way through the tough times they are facing. Let's anchor this understanding with some examples. I'll give you a few sentences, and I want you to think about whether they're using rough seas, literally or figuratively. 1. The fishermen decided not to go out today because the forecast predicted rough seas. 2. Our company has been through some rough seas this quarter because of the economic downturn. 3. You need to be prepared for rough seas when you take on such a challenging project. Can you tell which ones are literal and which are figurative? Pause the video if you need to think. A key point to remember is that rough seas is typically used to describe ongoing situations. It's not typically used for brief or sudden problems. Also, it's more commonly used in a figurative sense than literally in everyday English. Keep your ears open, and you'll start to notice it in movies, books, and conversations. That's the horizon of today's topic, rough seas. We hope this video helps you to understand and use this expression confidently in both its literal and figurative senses. Smooth sailing is easy when the sea is calm, but learning to sail through rough seas is what truly makes a skilled sailor, or in our case, a fluent English speaker. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again soon as you continue your English learning journey with us. Fair winds and following seas until our next lesson.